Hello.
Điểm nó lên có mẹ đã nghe con từ tiếng nói. Ok, đấy không nhấn.
Hello,
Oh, hi. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Teacher April. Again, I am Teacher April. How about you? What is your name?
my name is Penny.
Benny, what a beautiful name. Okay, it's nice to meet you, Benny. Okay, can you do it? Nice to meet you. Can you say it? It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Oh, very good. So, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Oh, 8 years old. Oh, you're big. Can you count from 1 to 8? 1, 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, very good. Okay, good job. 8. So, how are you today? How are you?
I'm great.
You're great. Wow, that's good to hear. So before we start our lesson, let's sing, okay? Let's sing. Do you want to sing?
Yes,
Yes, let's sing.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good,
I'm good.
I'm great,
I'm great.
I'm wonderful, I'm good,
I'm good.
I'm
Can you follow me? Can you dance?
great,
Good.
I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired,
Oh,
I'm hungry,
I'm hungry.
I'm not so good. I'm tired,
I'm tired.
I'm hungry,
I'm hungry.
I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Oh, again? How are you, Benny?
great.
Oh, I am great. Okay, that's good to hear. So now, okay, are you ready to learn? Okay, when I say, are you ready? Are you ready? You will say, yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay? Okay, again, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Oh, don't forget your hands. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Again, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Okay, great job. So, I want you to listen to me and eyes on me. Okay, let's start our lesson. Ooh, look. Hmm. So, the title of our topic for today is all about watch the game. Again, can you say it? Watch the game. Okay. So, look. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes. So, look. Oh, is it a boy or a girl?
the boy.
Yes, it's a boy. Okay, so now let's continue our lesson. Okay, you are going to learn how to talk about watching a game. Okay? Again, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Okay, so now let's start our lesson. Oh, let's learn some words. Look, what can you see? What
I,
can
s-
you see?
I see a television.
Oh, television. Very good. What else?
Present
Yeah, what is it?
is present.
Oh, okay. Oh, present. Oh, here. What else?
Vase.
Vase. Good job. Another one. Last one.
A pillow.
Yes, pillow. Very good. Okay, let me introduce this boy. Okay, his name is Timmy.
Mini.
Yes, wow, you already know his name. Okay, so his name is Timmy. Okay, so look, we have here word watch. Okay, watch. Oh, look at Timmy. What is he doing?
He is watching.
Yes, he is watching. Oh, so Timmy likes to
Watch
watch.
basketball games.
Timmy likes to watch a basketball game. Okay, what about you, Benny? Do you like to watch basketball game?
No. I
Oh.
to football game.
You like to watch football game. Oh, do you know how to play football?
Yes, I play football very good.
Wow, that's good. Oh, nice one. Who do you play with? Who do you play with?
My friend.
Oh, I want you to answer in a complete sentence. I play football with my
Friend.
friends. Okay. Is it fun?
Yes, it's one.
Yes, it's fun. Okay, that's good to hear. Where do you watch football games? On your cell phone or on the television?
On
Huh?
a smartphone.
Oh, on your smartphone. Okay. So, do you have any question here? No? So, let's proceed here. We have, look, we have the word enjoy. Do you know the meaning of the word enjoy? Do you know the meaning of the word enjoy? Yes or no? Yes? Don't be shy. Okay. Enjoy um means to like something and feel happy doing it. Again, enjoy means you like something and you feel happy. You feel happy doing it. Okay, for example, I enjoy playing football. Okay, it means I am happy playing football. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Can you read this, Benny? Leo.
There enjoys playing basketball with Bob.
So Leo enjoys playing basketball with Bob. Oh, so you can say, I enjoy playing football with my
Friend.
friends. Okay, again, can you say it again? I enjoy.
Friend.
Yes, very good. Okay. What about reading books? Do you enjoy reading books?
No, I don't like reading book.
Oh, you don't like it. What about riding a bike? Riding a bike.
Sometimes riding bike.
Oh, sometimes you're riding a bike. Okay. So next we have here. Oh, what can you see? His name is Sam. Okay, by the way, his name is Sam. We have here the word shoot. Shoot. In the basketball, you need to shoot the ball in the basket. Okay, shoot.
Bắn bóng.
Okay, you need to shoot the ball. Okay, here shoot. This ball, you need to put it here. Okay, shoot. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Can you read some likes?
Sam likes
To
to
shoot
shoot baskets.
basketball. Okay. What about you? Do you like to shoot basketballs?
No, I don't like
Yeah.
shooting basketball.
I don't like shooting basketballs. I don't like to shoot basketballs. Now we're done with the words. Now it's activity time. By the way, again, look, what is his name?
It's,
Timmy. Timmy. And this boy, what is his name?
it's
Uh, Sam. Okay, Sam. And this girl, her name is Cindy. Okay, Cindy. So, they are best friends. They are best friend. What about you, Ben? Who is your best friend?
my
Do
best
you?
friend. My
Yes.
best friend. Poof. Is
My best friend is
Poof.
Poof. Okay, wow. So now, oh, I want you to label the picture. We have here words. Look at the picture. So the answer here is enjoy. What about this? What is he doing? And what is he doing here? Do you know how to write? Do you know how to write on your screen? On your Zoom?
Yes, I go to ride.
Okay, can you write it here? Can you write your answer here? Okay, very good. Watch. And the third one is shoot. Very good. Shoot. Okay, very good, Benny. So all of your answers are correct. Okay, great job. Oh, can you clap your hand? Clap your hands. Okay. Next we have here. Oh, can you arrange the words? Oh,
Okay.
okay. If it's you can just say it. You can just tell me your answer, and I'll be the one to write it. Or do you want to write it yourself?
Yes.
Okay. So I will wait. You can use the text if you like, but if you're comfortable with that, then it's okay. Okay, very good. Wow, I love your effort. Okay, can you read your answer number one?
Timmy likes to watch basketball games.
Very good. Great job. Number two.
Theo enjoys playing basketball.
Wow, awesome. And last one, number three. Sam.
Sam likes to shoot basketball.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Benny. Wow, you know how to arrange words in the correct sentence. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Benny. You did a great job. Okay, can you clap your hands? One, two, three. Yes. Okay. And now, I want you to answer the question. Okay, you don't need to write. Okay, you don't need to write. You can just answer me. Okay. What does Timmy likes to watch?
Timmy likes to watch basketball games.
Okay, yes, very good. So Timmy likes to watch basketball game. Number two, does Leo enjoy playing basketball?
Leo enjoy playing basketball with Bob.
Very good. Wow, you have a great memory. Leo enjoys playing basketball with Bob. Great job. Number three, what does Sam like to do?
Sam likes to shoot basketball.
Sam likes to shoot basketballs. Now let's read and talk. Hey, Dad. You are
Yes,
Timmy and I am Dad. Okay? Okay, so your turn. Hey,
hey Dad, what are you doing?
I am watching basketball game.
Oh, I will watch it too.
Oh, so who is watching a basketball game, Benny?
Uh,
Who is watching basketball game?
Dad and Timmy.
Oh yeah, Dad and Timmy. Now,
Do you enjoy watching the game?
yes, I enjoy watching it very much. My favorite sport is basketball. Oh, so what is the favorite sport of Dad?
Favorite sport is that a basketball.
Oh, okay. So Dad's favorite sport is
Basketball.
basketball. What about you? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Football. Okay. Well, me, my favorite sport is volleyball. Okay. Do you know how to play volleyball?
I don't play volleyball.
Oh, you don't play volleyball. Next, your turn.
Why do you like basketball?
Playing basketball is very exciting. The players have to dribble and shoot. Okay, dribble like this. Dribble, dribble, and shoot. hmm Okay. Here,
Know how to play?
yes, I do. I played it in school. I will teach you how to play. Okay. So next, this one we have. Oh, let's play some games, Benny. Can you fill in and then read? Uh, you can tell me your answer. You can read it. I,
Watching
I.
the basketball.
What's your
And
answer here? I.
I enjoy
Yes, I enjoy watching the.
the game very much.
Yes, I enjoy watching the game.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, game very much. My favorite sport is
Basketball.
basketball. Very good. And next we have this one.
The, the players
The players have to dribble and
shoot.
yes, the players have to dribble and shoot. Shoot the ball. Okay, dribble. Do you know how to dribble? Like this. Dribble, 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 and shoot. It's very fun. You can try it sometime. Now, uh, I want you to choose and then read. Can you read the question and then tell me your answer, Benny?
Okay. What with that? Timmy, what a basketball game with that?
Okay, your answer is correct, but here, it's how do you read this?
What is
Okay, watches. Okay, it's not watch, it's watches. Again, Timmy watches.
Timmy watches a basketball game with that?
Yes, okay, awesome. And here, oh, I want you to answer. Let's have a role play. You are Timmy and you are also Dad. Hey, Dad.
Dad, what are you doing?
Your
I
turn. I am.
what what
I'm watching.
I am watches the basketball game.
I am watching a basketball game. Okay, I have a question for you, Benny. Do you enjoy watching football game?
Yes, I enjoy watching the football game.
Okay, thank you so much for that. So, can you read everything? Words? What are the words that you have learned today?
Watch, enjoy, shoot.
Mhm. And the sentences?
Do you enjoy watching the game? I enjoy watching it very much. The players have to dribble and shoot.
Okay, and that's all for today. So, we are done with our lesson. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. And I hope to see you again, Benny. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye, see you again.
See you again.